Hi, I'm Heath Manning of manningcues. This video I'm going to be showing you how to use the diamonds to measure kick shots. When you have a cue ball blocked by an object ball and you can no longer hit your ball, you need to know how to shoot off the rail to make contact, being a kick shot. Most people will just try to measure the distance halfway between and hope to get your hit. Well, in a lot of scenarios, you're going to get close, maybe even make it. But wouldn't it be better to have a formula to know that you're going to hit your ball, as long as you use a proper stroke? For these shots, you don't need to up or lower your power. You just need to know where to put your tip on the cue ball to make your hit, and where to aim on that rail to make your hit. And I'm going to show you how to do that now. Right now, I'm standing on this side of the table. Whatever side of the table you're shooting from are called long rails. So when you're on the long rail side of the table, you count the diamonds exactly as they're shown. Okay? Right now, my cue ball is at this first diamond. This is 0. Wherever your cue ball is 0. So if this is 0, I am 1, 2, 3 diamonds away from my 10 ball, which is my object ball. So remember that. 3 diamonds away on the long rail. Looking across the table, this is considered to be a short rail. A short rail because the cue ball has to travel all the way across the table and all the way back. So it has to travel twice the distance. So instead of counting full diamonds like we did on the long side, you have to count half diamonds. So remember, you're always starting at 0, and 0 on this diamond is also 0 on that diamond, right across from it, right through where the cue ball is sitting. For training purposes, I'm lined up right with the diamond. So we've got 0 over there. Halfway between would be the first diamond, the second diamond, the third diamond. Now, if that's the third diamond, and we are 1, 2, 3 diamonds away on the long rail, we know that if I make contact with the rail edge, when you're aiming at diamonds, do not aim at the diamond, aim at the rail edge in front of the diamond. That's very important. That'll throw your shot right off if you don't. So we know, because we just measured it out, we have 3 long diamonds, and I can shoot 1, 2, I can hit that mark, which is my 3 short diamonds. So if I shoot from here, right, if I hit that spot, I'm going to come over and sink that 10. Now that's how you should figure your shots out. You shouldn't just hope to hit the center. So I'm going to shoot that shot now. And I come and I make my ball. So far, so good. Now, this is where the difficulty rises. What happens when you have another ball in your way? Well, now I can't hit that third diamond on the short rail. Step back. Let's figure this out again. Okay. This is 0 on the short rail, 0 on the long rail. We already know on the long rail I'm 3 diamonds away. Now, if we count up on the short rail across from me, where my Q-tip is, we can go 1, 2 diamonds. We can't go further than 2 diamonds because the 3 ball is at the third diamond, and we just shot that shot, but that's no longer available. So if I can only get 2 diamonds on the short rail, that means with no spin, I would end up 1, 2 diamonds on the long rail. So I would go off of that rail on that angle coming here, and I would come in on that angle from here. So, but I want to make contact with my 10 ball, but I'm still 1 diamond more. If I hit the second diamond over there, it's only going to get me to the second diamond here. But I want to get to the third diamond. So if I want to get to the third diamond, natural will get me 2 with no spin. If I need to get 1 more tip over to the right, because I'm shooting into the rail and I'm coming back to the right, If I need to get one more diamond because 2 is natural, I need 1 tip of right English on my cue ball. And let's shoot that now. So I'm going to be aiming at the rail right here in front of the second diamond with 1 tip of English. Didn't make the ball. Made contact though, didn't foul, which is very important. Now, let's throw another one in the mix. Okay? Now I can't hit the second diamond. Oh, well now the shot's getting even harder, right? Same process. You're hooked for making your shot, you have to do a kick. We know that this is 0 on the short side and on the long side. So, count up. I can only get 1 diamond. The second and third diamond are blocked on that side. So if I can only get 1 diamond, I'm going to go in on that angle. So on the long rail, remember this is 0, this is 1 diamond up, so I know I'm going to come right to there. But I still have 2 diamonds more to get to my 10. So if 1 diamond will come here naturally to this diamond, so it'll go right across the table and right back here. If I got to get 2 more diamonds to make contact with my 10, I need 2 tips of right English. I'll practice that now. So line yourself up, get your 2 tips over. And I just went past it, but I was in the vicinity. So we'll try her again. Made my shot. Okay? That's how you measure it. You got your long diamonds on this side, your short diamonds on that side. Just remember, wherever your cue ball is 0 on that rail and on this rail. So if you're 3 diamonds away on this long rail, you count up half diamonds on this side. Always take the shot that requires the least amount of spin, because that is the shot that you will make easier. Whenever you use a lot of spin, it's harder to control. You can do this right up to 3 diamonds of English. If I had another ball here, right? If I had another ball right here, I would have to aim at my 0 directly ahead of me with 3 tips of English to the right, because that would give me 1, 2, 3 diamonds, and I would come right over and kick it in. It's a very tough shot. It's not a high chance that you're going to make that shot consistently because you're right on the outside of the cue ball with 3 tips. But that's how you make your kick shots, using the diamonds to determine your tip location on your cue ball. I'm Heath Manning of Manning Cues. I hope that helps, guys. Thank you.